Welcome to Telugu Tastebuds. Today I would like to show you how to cook tasty mutton biryani. For this, clean the basmati rice and soak for 30 minutes. Now we will prepare masala. For this, take 10 green cardamom, 10 cloves, 2-inch cinnamon and grind them. Next, add ginger garlic and grind them too. Your masala paste is ready. Take a pressure cooker and add some oil or ghee. Add chopped onions and 1 tablespoon salt and fried onions. Add prepared masala paste and mix. Add mutton pieces and mix well. Give it a good mix. Add chopped green chilli and some salt. Give it a good mix. Add small cup of yogurt and water. Add coriander and mint leaves and give it a good mix. Close the lid and cook it till you get 4 whistles. Next, we will prepare biryani rice. Add 1 tablespoon cumin seeds, 2 anise, 4 bay leaves, 5 black pepper, 2 tablespoons oil, 1 tablespoon salt, 1 tablespoon turmeric powder, and boil these with water. I soaked basmati rice for 30 minutes. Now add that rice to hot water and let it cook till 50% done. Now strain the water and keep it aside. Take another bowl and transform the cooked mutton pieces. Add some coriander and mint leaves. Next, add the cooked rice in layers on top of mutton. Add ghee and fried onions on top of rice. Cook the rice for 20 minutes in slow flame. That's it. Very tasty mutton biryani is ready to serve. Please try this recipe and let me know in comments. Also, for more recipes, please subscribe to Telugu Tastebuds. Thank you.